Welcome back to Ask the Hot. We dey talk am say na the senior brother of all the television station wey dey inside obodo the world, and na the only democracy wey dey on top of television. That is the program, because we dey carry topic wey concern the people. Dey talk am on behalf of the people and through the phone lines wey dey also contribute, so that those wey the matter concern go take the necessary action to move our country forward. Ezugu Chukwudi Anunkubi dey inside studio. We go quickly run over all our stories, come move into the new ones when we carry come from weekend. We will start with the Hajj stampede wey happen for Obodo, Saudi Arabia, and say they don't confirm, say about 54 Nigerians now they don't buy. Say the ones wey lost, that they find them. We can move into the story about Boko Haram Jaguda people wey carry waka enter inside Kogi in commando fashion, go do some bad thing, and wetin happen inside Adamawa. I no go dwell on the story because na wetin we go discuss next. We can talk about the immortalized when we say the Ogun State government or say they won't carry give Chief H.I.D. Awolowo, wife of the late Obafemi Awolowo, for all the good behavior when we say she behave for this world. And the one when we say Oga President Muhammadu Buhari talk say all those when chop NNPC money, say never forget them, say their trial go begin very, very soon. And the one about ministerialists say if September 30th never clock 12 for midnight, say the ministerialists go still come out. And the one when we say APC leaders don't decide, say today they go look into the primaries wey happen for Bayelsa and settle the matter once and for all.
Yes, quickly, Chukudi, make we look into this issue. We know say very well, say yes, the government in place and our military, then they try very well, ensuring say at least they restore at least security when it comes to security level for the northeastern and this is the way Boko Haram and Jaguda people they do it. They carry out different attacks. We don't see their handwork, don't see their result. But then we also bring them down to the one will happen for Kogi State, where I think suspected Boko Haram people, they say they enter, they invade DSS office, Congo carry out their normal badness by releasing some prisoners and also buying one police mobile police officer. And the one also will happen for Adamawa State, where they say they invade them, I think they attacked like 60 houses. Enter like 3 villages and under one local government. Very true. All these things take call for at least more tightened security for our Obodo Nigeria. We know say yes, they applaud them, the militaries. We applaud at least our security department. Say at least we don't see results, very good results for their handwork. But then we still need to at least upgrade on the results so at least all these other areas we will feel ensure say completely we sweep and commode. But this one they amaze me. Invading a DSS office, Chukudi.
That's something when they're shocking.
It is shocking.
It is alarming.
It is very, very scary and very, very shocking. Which means these people don't get delivered to the point where we say, then they fear anybody. To enter DSS office, carry out crime, carry out wickedness. You understand? Even get delivered to free some prisoners. Now they say, it calls for urgent upgrading of our security force. So that at least make we know say, enter where they come, we go there ready for them. You understand? Because you never can tell. These people if decide to enter place where we no go expect tomorrow.
Not true.
You understand? So I mean.
And you know, say we don't always talk about here, say no be until something happen to people when we say we consider them to be big people or the people when they're untouchable before we begin to talk about them. Take for example now, if suspected Boko Haram Jaguda people feel attack these people when we say when it comes to security, there be Baba, intelligence day, action day, swag day, experience day. What about the ordinary Nigerians? Okay, come see now. This one happen for Kogi, this one can happen for Adamawa, 3 villages. Inside one local government.
About 60 houses.
About 60 houses, they just burn them down. Render families homeless. How Boko Haram Jaguda people go enter inside one local government, come parade 3 villages, and we don't hear of one single shot
and the funny
from our security people.
The funny thing we say, then get time, they even get time, when they go these villages, one after the other, you understand? Except if it was carried out simultaneously, you understand? But then, even at that, there's information supposed to go and say, these people don't they attack us, so make, this is why I say, putting the necessary measures in place, at least make the security, this thing, make them in place, so that anywhere where these things they happen, immediately they will put her there to ensure that they bring sanity and peace for that area. Looking at this thing, we go also applaud them the DSS. Applaud the DSS on the ground. Say then they ready. Say at least the faster they hit them, they know to shake them. They self do it in. Retaliate by at least pile three of these people. True. Make we collect this call from Madam Queen. our First Lady of as Ide Hot. Good morning, Madam Queen.
Good morning, Uncle B. Good morning, Chukwudi.
Madam Queen, we greet you.
Holiday. I hope so on a chop ram well.
We try
small, sir.
Okay, no problem. Make I chook mouth for the matter where they got. In fact, the matter plenty. So I will just try touch everyone small. Okay. As you say, consign the matter where happen, the stampede where happen for Saudi Arabia. Me, I go blame the people for there. Number one, because now every year, now in the people where they call go there, they increase. So by now, we're supposed to understand, say, they're supposed to put security measures and things in place that will make everybody come, go there, they serve God, come back to their country safe. Because now almost every year, now ain't one thing they happen, they go say one person die, two people die. This year will say come worse. And if you look pictures where we see people will go there, you not count anybody. You know there's plenty, and you not stop anybody from going to perform their rights because they believe say now the holiest ground be that when it concerns religion for Muslims. You understand? So me go say make these people for Saudi Arabia, make them find way or the other, compensate these people will die for there because now their responsibility, whether not by accident or not by any means. So that one for that one. As it concern the primary where APC do for Bayelsa State, when we go talk about APC, they say, you know, people will form join APC. Most of them, like 80% of them, they enter APC with one agenda or the other. So you find out that say you get a lot of greedy people and a lot of people who no go step down for anybody. Now it make their commotion just be there everywhere. Because I don't see any reason why they go begin throw blow for primary. You can imagine they fight themselves when they're supposed to be fasten their seatbelt to take commode the state from the other people's hands. They call they fight themselves. So that one for that corner, make APC just, you know, move us forward, make them know they give us problems. That one they there. So as you say, consign these Boko Haram people, I go beg Mr. President, say, make he help us tighten security because if they don't reach Kogi State, now only God know where they be. If they see enter DSS office, you can imagine whether we serve this. Make them help us tighten security. We know that then they try. But make them try more because now we will be Nigerians. Now we see their life. We make them say that they rule us. If all of us die, they don't go see anybody rule again. So
Madam Queen,
make I contribute.
Madam Queen, you don't talk finish. Now why we talk say you be the first lady of Aside Hot and you don't contribute, give some of the important issues when we discuss today and you don't talk the matter finish. We get Oga Tony from inside this Obodo Lagos also. Oga Tony, good morning, sir.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Oga Tony.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yeah, I'm very happy with you people.
And thank you very much.
All this stuff you want, but I don't call time today and I get me first day for so when I get me today.
Oga Tony, I better no verse.
Yes, sir. See the matter be say the one of Saudi Arabia, where people they go to Saudi Arabia. You know, when you go serve God and come back, you say you come back to your country, the people call they die every year they die. Who could be talk what you when I like? Yes, I like that thing. If they go reduce the people where they go that way, maybe they could reduce the people now. If the population too much, it's no, they okay, say okay, let them come, make people come, but now also amount people now we want. These people will represent each country. If there are 2 people, if there are 3 people, if there are 10 people, they represent each country so that the security there can be controlled. This one be saying they go the match person can't die alive. The people are good, I be the demand. It's not good like that. An issue of Bayelsa, APC people, they should be very careful of all this thing where they want to do in Bayelsa now. Like Tilepe Silva, where they do now. When he did there before, what he do? Me and watch Tilepe Silva live when they thought he will come back, come and repair Bayelsa. What he do for the 4 years when he was there? Make him live for the people where he want to work. People who want to work, make him live for them. An issue of whether they call them DSS, where these people where they invade them before government go attack DSS. That means we know they stay for this Nigeria. Because if you don't attack the head, wait till remain for the leg. So then make Oga step up, make Oga President step up for all these things so that not be travel be the thing. Make it work for our country first. What's there when you go do? Leave all those travels. That is my contribution.
Oga
this
Tony,
morning.
thank you very, very much for your contribution.
Oga Tony, don't talk well,
in the
well.
same voice when Madam Queen take talk, and Oga Tony himself carry that same voice, take such your own matter. Oga Obiora, they call us from Yola. Good morning, Oga Obiora.
Good morning.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Obiora.
How now can we do now?
We try small, we at least.
I want to talk for this Saudi Arabia country.
Okay.
You know, in the book of Ecclesiastes 3, from verse 1 to 10, it talks about everything has its own time. So that is their destiny. Those that die here is their destiny. And they will say that God will receive their soul. You know, we don't go plan anything because no matter how things is, that thing must happen, whether good or bad. This is God want to make it happen. So I want to talk of this APC issue. You know, APC is a party form of propaganda. And you know, when you form something under propaganda, and they can't win the election too under propaganda, so everything will happen inside APC, the propaganda. They said they go do the meeting today, not the only Bayelsa meeting. You go see here, say, everybody accuse our vice president. So when you see this kind of thing, you find out that APC is not a party to hold with two hands because of the way they are moving their things. Now, once our president travel, they tell me where I hear our president go to America, one tell us saying go fight people wasting NFTC money, you go to China, one talk saying go do this one, you go to US, one talk saying go bring peace. Why can't he stay here? You don't talk and say our president they talk too much. We want to see actions. We want to see people in court. We want to see people arrested. We want to see many cases. That is what we vote for. But if not talk, we begin to lose our thoughts where APC go. So once they change their style, this bias of the thing now, the same propaganda. So if you know that the election will go well, that their own problem is that was going to concern us. What is concern us is that they give up what they promise. Boko people, they so they fight our security men. And they tell us that they win Boko people. So this thing, talk not supposed to be talk too much. Then they act more than they talk.
Thank you very much. Very important point now you don't raise. So we dey very, very happy say we don't reach the level where we say Nigerians, they very, very aware of all the issues when they happen for this our country, and people they express themselves, they talk about the way when the thing be them for body. This show now the show for the ordinary Nigerian. We self now ordinary people. Now why would they carry all this topic when we say now it be the important one when we suppose they discuss, they bring and make everybody they contribute to the chook mouth on top. We get Oga Samuel from Abuja. Oga Samuel, good morning.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Samuel.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oga Chukwudi.
I dey hear you, Oga Samuel.
Like I put mouth for this book around issue.
Feel free.
Oga Chukwudi, dead will plan like if you get Alamaji, what is the job? Because what the talk of dead will kill Alamaji if you get Alamaji, what is the job? Boko Haram enter from this place, go Kogidish area. Most of ordinary people were there for that problem there for this our Nigeria.
Hello?
Oga Samuel, we dey hear
I
you.
hear you. And another one where I want to put mouth, you see this election issue. Make APC, make the gather themselves well. Because this one where they start like this, how the end it could be. Ordinary primary, now they start with this kind of wahala. How the ending go be.
Oga Samuel,
thank you
Oga Samuel, these
much.
questions when you don't ask now. Now question when we say
it carry weight.
we need to answer them. We need to answer them. I'm talking about this Boko Haram issue. Now rhetorical question. Question when we say the answer.
We need to give an thought.
Nigerian army been come out over the weekend talk say he get some people. They talk say some elders for inside this particular northeastern part of Nigeria when we say somehow their activities they want to stop the hand of the army people from in pursuing out Boko Haram Jaguda people come out for this our country. Now this one go call let person begin to think say wetin go dey person mind when you go look say this Boko Haram Jaguda issue sef make e even continue. Wetin be your gain if people continue to dey die? Wetin be your gain if properties dey destroyed? Wetin be your gain if we no get lasting peace for our society?
But Chukudi, even with this thing we don't ask now, what thing it is say be the ideal thing to do? Because in the first, if these things are maybe truth, if elements of truth they behind within the military they talk, then it is the job of the government to do it and to carry the investigation. To not say yes, okay, make we know who and who be the Jaguda people, or maybe I will still call the Jaguda people, or those top northern leaders where they behind the support of this thing, because. If you they add up to the problem of a particular country, which means you don't love the country.
Very true.
That is what it means. You don't even want the peace or unity of that country. People are dying. You understand? Lives are being lost, property they lose. Yet you see the ginger, they spoil a particular war. What do you with that way? Say what in that way be the way they benefit from a gong.
And this one will come bring us into the talk of patriotism. Because the love where you get for your country, now it go make you stand say, I no go let this bad thing spoil our country.
Our government need to look into them, make them know who and who if true, make them know who do they behind, make them.
But if government they look into them, we self get our own role to play.
Obviously.
Because most of the problem when they get, they say every time we go blame government. Which one will they do? Oga Prince from Owerri, you go tell us. Good morning, Oga Prince.
Good morning, Chukwuda.
Good
morning. Fine, Oga Prince.
Okobe, how you dey?
We dey fine.
What I want to talk be say, I want to make with the correct some statement where people they make. When somebody they talk say APC was formed under propaganda, make with the watch such person, make with the caution and where. Because you know they're good. Our president is a president that come under the platform of APC. So if we they abuse APC, they assume that we they abuse our president. So make with the talk between where they on ground and they leave APC and so that. So if they get problem, they go solve their problem. I'll go there saying vote for APC. Yes, but in the talk say no, you know. So I didn't understand. Please with the caution people where they say people was formed under propaganda. The salvation when Nigeria get today now APC bring them. Are you getting me? APC will make we know say they good make we have party where no they empower opposition party. So now good thing where APC bring. So make somebody that say no, it was formed under propaganda. I mean, make with the caution that person is not true. Are you getting me? It was formed with men of integrity, men who know what they are doing. That's my contribution this morning.
Oga Prince, thank you very much.
Oga Prince, don't talk. Oga Prince, don't talk in mind. Don't talk in mind.
The same way Oga Biara take talk in own mind. That's how Oga Prince take talk in own mind.
Very true.
You understand?
And we go to encourage people to talk their mind.
But then make you know the limit where you fit talk your mind, read. No be say, you understand. Now everybody get your own opinion.
Very true.
So now
and we always talk say we disagree to agree so that we will move our country forward. Quick one, we go rush enter market. When we go this market, come back, we'll continue our discussion as it is hot. We don't reach the final bus stop, and from where we stand, we see the end of the show. But you know the end here, because we will continue our conversation on top of social media. If you never follow us on top of Twitter and also on Facebook, wait till they wait for. Try your best. Once the thing appear for your screen, cram and down, make you know. Tell your friends, say this program now program for everybody. Make themselves save our number to the call to the Chukma for inside the matter. We appreciate all our callers, all those when they try to call. When we say the thing never enter too, make una no verse for us, make una continue. Plenty people want talk, and we go take everybody call when the thing enter.
Quickly, yes, Chukwu, make we also look into the issue we see Nigerians on they anticipate for so seriously. And this month, they promise us, say, yes, say, ministerial this thing appointment go come out. Say they go name our ministers this particular month. And the month, today now waiting, today now 28, I be that 28, right? Today now 28, we'll get just barely 2 days to go before this month go run out. So, but the thing be say, Oga Femi don't come and reassure Nigerians. Say Nigerians remain relaxed. Say, still on the ministerial thing, say, definitely say, then they give us assurance, say, the minister then go appoint them, they go release their name. The Nigeria go see, say, now this person be the minister of this no, and this person be the minister of this particular post. But then, we can look at this way. With the kind of action, with the fact that we never really, they see, no, we know say if people don't go, you know, trials and all that for this thing. But we never just like say that same level, ministerial appointment level, say it still they come somehow. Because may we also look at before now if they name ministers, now that time they can't do it, can't go House of Senate, House of Rep, go face panel. for this thing. But then, the way I dey see am, you sure say this thing dey possible, say, hey, before this month run out, we go fit see the list.
Where could they hope? As he not talk, say, before the month finish, we go dey wait. Maybe we collect this call from Samuel. Oga Samuel, they call us from Akure. Oga Samuel.
Good morning, Oga Shukudi.
Good morning, Oga Samuel.
Oga Kubi, how was your weekend, though?
Fine, oh, fine.
Hey, I want to shook mouth on top this story this morning.
Okay.
You know, I want what Oga Obiara talked at that time. I know too bad in the sense that, you know, this party APC of a team, those people that form APC, you know, what at least from that party we have seen good thing. Let us talk about the good thing that we. So don't let us condemn APC. It is too early to be condemning a party for now. But what I can see in that party now is that, you know, those people that form that party, and those people that are in that party because of selfish interest, you know, what they have in mind before, the thing gonna work out now. Now the thing they cause them. So, you know, what they have been doing before, say maybe they come there, shop and let me go. When they see that those things, there's no room for that thing now. So, you know, they'll be cutting from one wala to another wala. You know, in APC now, there are so many caucus. So, due to that, all those things happening now must be happen. But let us focus on our president. We have seen what the good thing that this man has been doing. And let us continue looking at him. I believe that this man will deliver. So, in the area of maybe the one with propaganda, all those things is out of it. So, that's the thing I want to talk.
Good morning. Oga Samuel from Akure, thank you very, very much. You don't make very, very important points. But we could be like, say, we could just step in to settle this matter.
For once.
Oga Obiora, talk in mind. Oga Prince from Owerri.
Not be the first time Oga Obiora they use that particular.
Very, very true.
So
Oga Obiora talk in mind. Oga Prince from Owerri come talk in own mind. And Oga Samuel don't talk in own mind. But it's very, very important. We could point them out. Say, when we talk about politics, the way we don't see them for Nigeria, most people, when we say that they enter inside them, now about their own personal interests. Because politics supposed to be essentially about the people when we say, they give you, say, go represent us. But the way we don't see them, some people, all of a sudden, they just enter inside office, they turn billionaire, millionaire, they spend money, they live life. Meanwhile, people who vote them into power, they suffer. So when we go talk here and I say, for every political party, you get good people, you get bad people. But as Nigerians, when we say, now we they carry the voters card to put them for there. Now we go begin to look, say, you be bad man. Even though you won't enter this party to claim, say, I won't go represent you, we no go give you our vote. So whether not by propaganda, whether not by scandal, whether not by anything that way for the goose or gander, it's very, very important, say, as Nigerians, make we dey politically conscious and aware and know, say, our votes, now our power. Now why I see the hot?
Chukudi, may I add up to what you just said? Make we look at like this. Okay, Oga Samuel talk say APC was formed under a very platform we talk. So okay, where they look into true governance, where they look into at least representing the people and representing them well. But even in the course of all this, we also say at least somehow, some people who say their hand not too clean don't become members of this party. Abi, okay, even in this same party, we don't see different issues, different confrontation.
Before you finish that one, make we take this our caller when they call us all the way from Port Harcourt, make it not be like say we keep them hanging. Oga Paul, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Oga Paul.
Oga Paul, I beg reduce the volume of your television, no, if we hear you well.
Oga Paul, you still there?
Oga Paul, we don't miss that call.
So as I talk, he goes to say, even under the same APC administration, he goes to say, at least, they don't get one or two issues. And if you also see them, now these issues, they also prompt some statement from Nigerians where we say we give them the mandate to say, okay, me not go represent us. Because for somebody to talk, say they formed under a particular propaganda, he don't see something.
Exactly.
You understand? If he say true, then get good intention. But that good intention, blood say somehow so don't they wash small.
And to even justify what the if you look the example of waiting they happen for inside Bielsa today. Now you be gubernatorial aspirant. you won't collect the ticket of your party
by force.
and somebody when we say na governor senior man for the party and the person when we say the party choose say make he go represent the party for the election come and talk say this man he be like say monkey hand he wan throw monkey hand inside this pot of soup na him be say wahala don dey somebody dey very very desperate
and this na party just one party internal party issue
for one state
no be say na maybe my
state.
party against your party na just internal party issue why can't it be resolved so these are things wey dey prompt such talk
for people to talk say na propaganda
apart from that sef it is also the job of Nigerians to at least say make we dey put eye for wetin our government dey do so at least make dem know say our eyes dey clear we dey watch them
na true
because if we no put eye for wetin dey do dey try give them and no be say we no go make we encourage them o we dey encourage our government but at the same time make we also see flaws if we see flaws make we tell them say this thing is not good make them know how to sit right to ensure say that particular flaw part then address am well.
E dey very very important to note say as Nigerians na we get this country forget say anybody dey government if we no put am for there he no go dey there so we suppose dey call them make dem dey very very accountable for wetin we put them go do the ones wey no do well we go tell them to their eye say you forehand you no do well.
we no dey hide mouth here na Chukwudi.
and we no dey do say
we dey follow you
we no dey do say
papa you
we no dey do say we wan forgive.
they try give you this thing.
make we take Baba dey call us from Abuja. Baba, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, Baba.
Chukwudi.
Good morning, Baba.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
I dey greet you, Baba.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning. We dey hear you. Your voice high, well.
That's good. How you na dey?
We dey fine,
Oga Baba.
That's good. May God protect you now.
Amen.
Please, I want to mouth. First is advice.
Okay.
For our caller last week, Obera be from Yola. Please, I'm watching this program with my son.
Okay.
My son in University of Maiduguri before transfer to Zaria.
Okay.
What Obera said, my son just get up, say, hey, this man is a liar. I said, why are you saying that? He said he went to Maiduguri University. He read engineering. Obera said there is no any Christian getting admission. You see, that's where my son condemned. He said he's a liar. You see, before we say something, please, I'm just advice. Let us
make we get our facts for hand.
Before said, and the same with Zaria. Now in the Zaria, he said there is Yoruba, there is Kalba working in that school. Please, that's number one advice. Before we say something, we have to find out.
Oga Baba, thank you very much for this one where you don't talk. And on top of us, we dey emphasize say everything when go bring us together as one people. Now we dey try to do. We been talking say we go conduct our own investigation to know because this thing a very grave and serious allegation because Nigeria belong to everybody and for inside our constitution everybody gets any right to live for anywhere to do anything so long as you dey peaceful and you know they cause trouble. But we thank all our callers when call us on top of us and we appreciate all of una. All the topic when they come out smoke now we go dey carry come make all of una dey talk am the way when the team be una for body until we come back again tomorrow to discuss politics, discuss all the issues, current affairs wey dey comot smoke inside Nigeria political arrangement. My name na Ezugu Chukwudi.
And my own name na Nkubi.
Una bye.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.